guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you this cute duck, Lalafanfan, and this duck is thinking about love. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the right bottom corner of the picture. This box is the right bottom corner of the picture. Skip 4 boxes to the left and coloring 7 boxes to the left horizontally. Here go diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes to the left. Go diagonally to the left, coloring 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, coloring 5 boxes up. Turning to the right, coloring 1 box diagonally. Go to the right diagonally and coloring 2 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and coloring 7 boxes to the right horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and down and coloring 2 boxes to the right. Now 1 box diagonally to the right. Go diagonally and coloring 5 boxes down. Turning to the left diagonally and coloring 1 box. And here 2 boxes to the left horizontally. From this box count 3 boxes to the left, 1, 2, 3, and go up and coloring 1 box. Go diagonally, coloring 1 box here and 1 box here. From this box skip 3 boxes down and coloring 2 boxes vertically. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right and coloring 2 boxes vertically here. From this box go diagonally to the left, coloring 3 boxes vertically up. Here from this box go to the left and go diagonally to the left and up, and we should color 3 boxes one by one. Here go diagonally to the left, coloring 2 boxes horizontally. 1 box diagonally to the left here. And go diagonally to the left, coloring 4 boxes up. Now turning to the right, painting over 1 box here. Go diagonally to the right, coloring 7 boxes to the right horizontally. One box here. Go diagonally, coloring 4 boxes down here. Turning to the left, coloring 2 boxes one by one here. Now I take red felt pen and from this box go down and coloring 5 boxes horizontally. From this box skip 2 boxes up and coloring 1 box here. Go up, coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. Go up, coloring 5 boxes horizontally. Two boxes horizontally this side and 2 boxes horizontally here. Now I take orange felt pen and coloring 3 boxes horizontally here. go down and color in 3 boxes horizontally here. Now I take pink felt pen and from this box go up and mark 3 boxes vertically. Go to the right, mark 3 boxes here, and one more time 3 boxes here. And I should color 9 boxes square. From this box, mark 3 boxes vertically here, 3 boxes vertically here, and 3 boxes here. Coloring 9 boxes square. And now I take yellow felt pen and painting over all these white boxes. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple, very nice and colorful picture. Cute duck Lalafanfan. And if you like my idea and this drawing, please give me your likes under the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!